repeat, after windy and eddy a thunderstorm is clearing on and leaving our region. By impact, multiple snowstorms and blizzards and heavy winds and more will be passing over all of our region. Repeat, windy and eddy a thunderstorm moving far away from our region, but it's leaving behind snowstorms. It's all coming to all of our region, all over our region. Repeat, windy and eddy a thunderstorm is moving out of our region, but impact snowstorms are coming behind windy and eddy a thunderstorm all over our region. Please be impact for some snowstorms and blizzards are moving into our region, and windy and eddy a thunderstorm is moving out of our region, and snowstorms and blizzards are moving in our region. Repeat, this snowstorm is impact for all around the world. Will be marked with getting snowstorms. Repeat, all around the world will be getting hit with snowstorms or blizzards because after windy and eddy a thunderstorm past our region and already going out of our region and then past our region into a different country. And windy and eddy update. Windy and eddy thunderstorms are heading leaving our region back up to the sky. But left behind will be snowstorms and blizzards that's passing all over the region. Repeat, passing all over our regions. This is an emotional weather service system alert. Please be prepared for heavy snowfalls and heavy snows and blizzard alert. Stay tuned with your local weather channels, your weather alert or your weather TV channel too. This is a emotional system alert from the weather service. Thank you.